Hi everybody, this is Oren from Wix Me Up, and in this video I want to talk to you about horizontal contact form. This is a feature that until recently wasn't available in Wix, and now you can edit, as you can see in the display in the screen. It is an horizontal contact form that you can use mostly in landing page, but also it depends on your design in your website. Sometimes it's just more comfortable to put an horizontal one instead of a vertical one. And let's see how we do it. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to the editor, to the contact page, and now we want to add this contact form. So I'm going to add, and then contact. I will just add the regular contact form. And now when we want to change it, we just will press on the design button, and then on customize design. You can see here at the top there is a different design that I can press on them, and the design of the form is being changed. So I can choose any one of these contact form in the list, contact form design in the list, and in the right side there is an horizontal contact form that I just choose, and as you can see it's became horizontal. Of course, you can remove or add fields, you can change the position of the fields, you can choose if it will be mandatory or not, and you can change the names, of course, of the fields, and that's it. This is how you can do an horizontal contact form. I hope this information was good for you. Have a nice day.